The first quarter of the year has drawn to a close, marking a noticeable shift in investment momentum compared to last year's sluggish start. In a bid for survival, startups that struggled to secure funding last year are diversifying their strategies, with many opting to expand globally. This approach has gained traction as March witnessed a surge in investment, particularly at the Series B and later stages. A significant portion of the Q1 investments went to startups, either based overseas or targeting global markets, with a considerable influx of funds from international investors. Going global is increasingly viewed as indispensable for burgeoning startups, facilitating business expansion, easing access to global capital, and potentially paving the way for future global public offerings. Although predominantly focusing on the B2B market, these companies exhibit diverse operational scopes. Bear Robotics, a self-driving serving robot company headquartered in Silicon Valley, recently secured 80 billion won in investment, with strategic backing from global players such as LG Electronics. Similarly, Point2 Technology, a communication solutions firm also based in Silicon Valley, raised 30 billion won from Bosch Ventures for its E2 platform, addressing the limitations of traditional cables. StratVision, specializing in self-driving robots, maintains offices across the US, Germany, Japan, and China, securing 42 billion won from various global investors, including German firms. Anei, a burger cooking robot manufacturer, is relocating its headquarters to New York and eyes a listing on Nasdaq. Beyond the US, numerous startups are expanding their reach across different countries. AGL, a golf booking system developer, is venturing into 30 countries, securing 30 billion won for expansion into Singapore, Japan, and Taiwan. T-Order, a table ordering service, plans to establish branches in the US and Singapore in the first half of this year, building upon its subsidiary in Canada, established last year with a 30 billion won investment. Ellis Group, specializing in AI-driven education solutions, is bolstering its global presence through collaborations with US and Singaporean entities. The successful Nasdaq listing of Coupang has spurred a wave of aspirations among growing startups to go global. While success remains uncertain, the growing interest of global investors in domestic startups signals a promising trend.